Hey guys, welcome back. Wrench Benders here. We're out getting a 6.9 International diesel engine today. That's for the international truck here at the house. So I'll bring you over in here to this barn. We got all kinds of stuff, goodies. I'm digging out this motor.
Right, here it is.
And that'd be it, huh?
6.9 liter IDI. Said I had somewhere around 30,000 on it, Wendell? Something like that?
17.
17,000?
That's what the Congress said.
Even better. So that's an extra bracket for a fuel filter. Anyways, we'll get this, put it in bed of the truck, and take it back to the garage and set it on the engine stand. This will be for the international.
All right, cool. Let's get started. All right, here we are. We got a 6.9 diesel IDI indirect injection motor sitting in the back of a pickup truck.
Came out of a mid-80s Ford pickup truck, and it wrecked with 17,000 miles on it. That's been sitting for 30 years. We'll probably take it apart and re-ring it anyways. But I ought to make a good motor for the Lodestar.
Yep. We'll see how this plays out. We're going to get it back to the garage, hopefully get it on an engine stand, and see what it looks like. All right, we're back. We're here at the garage. We got this 6.9. We're gonna get it out of the truck. We got the tractor. We're gonna pick it. We got to get it over here. We got to remove the torque converter off of it. Got to remove the exhaust manifold, these headers.
Yeah,
Got to get all this cleaned up.
Broken bell housing adapter here.
So hopefully we can get that removed and then get it on an engine stand, and that's probably where we'll stop at today. So
one thing we noticed on the way home today is in the back of even this truck, I noticed, just because it's my truck and I drive it all the time, hitting some bumps and stuff, there's some weight there.
yeah, I'm
Not a light motor.
really hoping that this tractor can pick it without much trouble. So we'll find out here in a minute. Alright, well Ben's working on getting this torque converter off here and getting the exhaust headers off.
I'm beginning to think that one's not coming. I got an answer for it too.
Yeah, I'm gonna run over here to the other room and we're gonna dig out an engine stand. So let's go take a look at what we got. Alright, that was a little bit more of a job than we were ready for, I think, but
It's done.
here we go.
So in here on the engine stand, it is heavy. I said that once, I'm gonna say it again. It's heavy. We have actually got a support in here to help the engine stand out. And it's a good thing it's not one of them Harbor Freight jobs, because I don't think it would handle it. But it is heavy. So anyways, in here, it's on the stand. It's ready for us to start taking some parts off of as we slowly go through all this. And we're going to tear it down eventually and re-ring it, a bunch of other stuff. That'll all be on video. You'll see what we do when we go do that. So, but there it is. It's a new home for now. It's not in the sawmill shed anymore. It's in the garage. If you guys like and subscribe, please help us out. Hit that button down there. We appreciate it.
Yep. Thanks, guys. See ya.